Welcome to technology platform. So today we are going to see like how to use functions in Python. So we always like to reuse the functions. I don't want to write the code multiple times. I just want to write some code and store it in some function, and I have to recall that function in my code. So this is what we have to see it today. Let me open idle. Now for this, the syntax is like def. Def is a keyword and function name, and then arguments you need to provide it. So this is what the syntax for this user defined function. So we can say like this is user defined functions. Now I'm always using like welcome to Python programming. So this is I want to print it. Now this I want to store it in some place. Whenever I will call the function, it should print this. Now see this ref print welcome message and colon. This is important, and then enter print of. I'll write this. Now it won't return now. Now let's see. We have to call this function. Now run it. You will get this. Welcome to Python programming. So like this, you can reuse somewhere wherever we need these functions. We can use it. And then the second thing is like arguments. So I want to pass something. For example, uh, yes, def. Then we can say like um, print name address, or we can say like print course and chapter. This is the function. I'll say like course I want to pass it, chapter I want to pass it, colon enter print of course comma chapter, right? I'll say like single quotes hyphen comma, like this I store it. I want to pass it like this one. I'll say like Python chapter, I'll say like 10. Let's see without arguments, let's with single quotes, let's see, and with arguments, let's see what will happen, so that it is easy to understand. Well, because we need to pass it some data type or something like that. We can check it now itself how it works here. Let me run this now, and then let's see. Oh, sorry, the colon should not be there. Enter. So here you can see Python 10. So whenever you can run it, it should print whatever we display. Like if you say like Java 5, it return Java hyphen 5. So this is called a simple dev functions. How to create it and how to reusable. I just provided it, but see you in the next session in detailed dev functions everything. Thank you. Bye.